Here are 10 things that you are doing wrong with your food. Stay to the end because number 10 may shock you. Number 1, storing tomatoes in the fridge. Refrigerating tomatoes can cause them to lose their flavor and become mealy. They should be stored at room temperature to maintain their taste and texture. Number 2, overcooking pasta. Cooking pasta for too long can make it mushy and ruin the dish. Pasta should be cooked al dente, meaning it should still have a slight firmness when bitten. If you enjoy fun food fact videos and delicious recipes, then hop on the food plane, hit that subscribe button now. Number 3, not letting meat rest after cooking. Cutting into meat right after cooking causes the juices to run out, making it less juicy and flavorful. Letting it rest for a few minutes allows the juices to redistribute. Please leave a comment. Let me know which one of these surprised you the most. Are you doing any of these? Did you know about any of these? All right, coming in at number 4, using too much flour when rolling dough. When rolling out dough for bread, pastries, or cookies, using too much flour can make the final product dry and tough. Use just enough flour to prevent sticking. Number 5, not washing rice before cooking. Many people skip rinsing rice before cooking, but this step is crucial. Washing rice removes excess starch, which can make the rice sticky and clumpy. Number 6, storing bread in the fridge. Storing bread in the refrigerator can make it stale faster. It's better to keep it at room temp or freezing it if you want to store it longer. Number 7, overcrowding the pan when searing meat. When searing meat, overcrowding the pan can cause the meat to steam rather than to sear, preventing that nice caramelized crust from forming. Sear in batches if needed. Number 8, peeling potatoes before boiling. Boiling potatoes with the skin on helps retain nutrients and prevents them from becoming waterlogged. So peel them after boiling for a better texture and flavor. And number 9, using old spices. Using old spices. Spices lose their potency over time, which can result in bland dishes. Make sure to regularly check and replace your spices to keep your food flavorful. Number 10, storing bananas with other fruits. Bananas release ethylene gas, which can cause other fruits to ripen and spoil faster. It's best to store them separately.